Good morning and welcome. This is India Today. You're with Ankit Tyagi. The big battle in MP. The big battle in MP. Shivraj Singh Chauhan is seeking a fourth record term. Are the voters, voters tired of the BJP rule for the last 15 years? Or is the infighting in Congress going to be what, in fact, the BJP is looking at to make some inroads, Shivraj Singh Chauhan to come back to power? Yogi Adityanath, Prime Minister Narendra Modi have been campaigning there. Are they going to have some effect? Have the voters already decided? We'll get you all the latest details from the ground. Also in the studio, experts. Javed Ansari is here with us, senior political journalist. We have Manisha Priyam, one of the foremost political analysts in the country. We'll get you, break it down for you. And don't forget, there are elections in Mizoram as well. 40 seats there. The only state where the Congress is the incumbent government, also the dominant party in Northeast. The last bastion of the Congress party in the Northeast. Congress leader Digvijay Singh's son, Jayawardhan, is also in the poll fray from stronghold Raghogarh.
कमलनाथ जी हाई ऑक्टेन पूरा पोल ग्राउंड ये बैटल रहा है, लेकिन पहली बार ऐसी तस्वीर है कि दरअसल छिंदवाड़ा एपी सेंटर बन गया मध्य प्रदेश की राजनीति का।
क्यों नहीं, छिंदवाड़ा तो विकास का भी एपी सेंटर है, राजनीति का तो छोड़िए। और मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि मध्य प्रदेश के मतदाता सीधे साधे सरल स्वभाव के बोले बाले, मध्य प्रदेश की तस्वीर, पीड़ित किसान, बेरोजगार नौजवान, असुरक्षित महिलाएं, दुखी व्यापारी, ये चित्र अपने सामने रख के आज मतदान करेंगे।
2 चुनाव मुझे याद है 2008 के 13 के। कांग्रेस उस समय बस लड़ रही थी। इस बार क्या कमलनाथ फैक्टर की वजह से आपको ऐसा लगा कि कांग्रेस का जो काडर है वो एक साथ एक जगह पर लड़ता हुआ दिखाई पड़ा है, वाकई चुनौती दी है?
अब बहुत सारे फैक्टर होंगे, केवल एक फैक्टर नहीं है, बहुत सारे फैक्टर मिलके कांग्रेस को विजय दिलाएगा। चलिए।
Well, after performing puja at the temple of his local deity at village Jaith, Shivraj Singh Chauhan now performing puja on the banks of the holy Narmada River. In fact, politics in Madhya Pradesh revolving around the Narmada River. Shivraj Singh Chauhan also did a Narmada Parikrama Yatra that was followed by a similar Yatra by former Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh, Digvijay Singh. Which side the voters living on the banks of Narmada River would go, that would be decided today. The results would be out on 11th of December. But both Shivraj Singh Chauhan and the Congress party leaving no stone unturned to suggest that they are the ones who actually are for the welfare of the people living on the banks of the river and also for the conservation of the Narmada River. The politics surrounding this holy river, with Congress party alleging that large-scale illegal mining, sand mining happening on the banks of the river, which is leading to pollution in the river and also leading to a situation where people have been found exploiting the holy Narmada River. Which side people would go, that would be known on the 11th. But for today, both Congress and Shivraj Singh Chauhan trying to show that they are on the side of the Narmada River. With Vijay Irshad Khan, Hemant Sharma, India Today.
Well, Madhya Pradesh goes to poll today, and we are in the city of Jabalpur. This is one polling station where a mock, check of the machines are taking place at the moment. The poll will start at 8 a.m. and right now the officials from the Election Commission are present here. These are the last-minute touches which are taking place. Well, the machines are ready, as well as a fake or a mock test of the entire process of the electioneering is taking place at the moment. They are saying that once it is done, to ensure that EVMs are working properly. We have been hearing from quite some time in various elections that the EVMs are not working, but here all the EVMs have been checked. The police is deployed in large number. At the same time also what is happening over here is that the Election Commission officials are making those last minute checks that everything runs smoothly when the polling starts from 8 a.m. onwards. Well, this is how the candidates lists have been put out with their symbols and the name, and where as far as the Election Commission is concerned, they have once again appealed to the people of Madhya Pradesh that they should go out and vote. So Madhya Pradesh, go out and vote today. Visitor journalist Sanjeev Kumar, Supriya Bhardwaj for India Today in Jabalpur.
अंतिम घड़ी आ गई है, लंबा इंतजार था, काफी ज्यादा मेहनत हुई, कई दौरे हुए, अब बस वोट की घड़ी आ गई। क्या लगता है?
जी, आज हम लोग वोट डालने जा रहे हैं। कल रात को इन्होंने बड़े पैमाने पर पैसे बांटने का प्रयास किया, शराब बांटी है, साड़ियाँ बांटी हैं, प्रशासन निष्क्रिय है, जिस मुस्तैदी से काम करना चाहिए नहीं कर पा रहे हैं। चुनाव आयोग ने अपने पर्यवेक्षक भेजे हैं, लेकिन वो भी देखते हैं कितना कर पाते हैं। लेकिन लोगों में गुस्सा है, लोग निराश हैं। कभी ये मुद्दे की बात करते हैं, किसी माता की, पिता की, गोत्र की, ये सब लोगों को भटकाने वाली बातें हैं। अरे हमें चाहिए रोजगार, किसानों को चाहिए अच्छा भाव, मजदूरों को चाहिए रोजगार, व्यापारियों को चाहिए सहूलियत, कर्मचारी परेशान हैं। भाजपा के दलाल की वजह से पूरे प्रदेश में भ्रष्टाचारियों का दबदबा है, लोगों की नाराजगी है और जनता चुनाव लड़ रही है। इसलिए मुझे तो पूरा भरोसा है कि इस बार जनता का वोट पूरी तरह से भाजपा के खिलाफ जाएगा।
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you would love to.